Welcome, in front of me I have XLYNE QIN XW Prime 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the theme on this device. First, let's press the side button right here to wake up the screen on our watch, and then swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Let's keep swiping left until we find theme icon right here, then tap on it, and here we have options like theme and wallpaper. First let's tap on theme, and we can select Word of Colors or Word of Simplicity. Let's select the second one. Let's go back to the menu, and as you can see, menu became black and white. Icons are black and white too. Okay, and we can now tap on wallpaper, for example, and change the wallpaper in our theme, for example like this one. Let's go back to our menu. As you can see, the wallpaper changed. Basically, you can edit the menu how it looks like. Let's go back, change the theme to Word of Colors, and now let's find different wallpaper, for example, sunset blue, like this. And that's how you change the theme on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.